wake up and wonder, where in the heck am I? It happens to me all the time. Every boondocking trip pretty much begins the same way. Definitely need to provision in order to stay, in my case, usually 3 or 4 days at any given time. And if there's no Wally World around, well, I am absolutely willing to choose what I consider the second best thing. I use several apps in order to find either BLM land or national park land. Basically what I'm looking for is land that I can camp on for free. In some cases I'm not able to do that. In some cases I need to pay, whether it be a state park or a city park. And in some cases they even give steep discounts as a disabled veteran. But again, I'm usually looking for something free. The apps will find me spots like this one, which is a great little spot just outside of Phoenix, Arizona. It's Apache Junction, and it's in the shadow of Superstition Mountains. An investment that I am definitely happy that I made was this drone. I've got it hovering right now while I'm grabbing a cup of coffee, and it actually will not only stay still, but with that gimbal, it has a 4K image that is perfectly still. It looks like it's standing on a tripod. Unfortunately, this area appears to have suffered some fire damage. I can tell by the saguaro that I'm kind of flying towards. The base of it looks burned, and there are several trees that are darker in color than they typically would be, and probably to mitigate some of the burned wood that was laying around, they have apparently come through with a bulldozer and kind of cleared out the area as well. For now, it's time to set this drone down. It's time for me to get back out on the road. I found a decent place that well, at least I believe it's a decent place. I was able to find some pretty good reviews on it. And it is an area that actually is by the river at the base of a dam that is on Bartlett Lake. It's always great whenever I get an opportunity to travel through the mountains. In this case, I have a pass that runs through the mountains adjacent to Bartlett Lake. It is a dirt path, but it is actually well groomed. I believe, if nothing else from the reviews that I read, that anybody would be able to make it up this road. It, in fact, has RVs that have left some of the reviews that I've read. I also love the fact that it gives me a great view of kind of the valley or the canyon and then the valley that I'm coming into. And in this case, it actually just runs right up to the base of the dam before it gets to the campground at which I'm going to be camping.
Time can never be your trusted friend or your sworn ally. No, it's the harshest mistress of all.
I wanted to start the shot at Bartlett Dam. As you can see, I've got a fire pit. I've got a table, place to work, and of course Sarah sitting over there chilling in the shade, which I would do if I was working as hard as she does every day. But as I was walking around this campsite, I noticed just little, I won't even go into the worst of it, because as you can see back here, there's several white dots. But man, I beg you, even if you leave toilet paper, which could disappear in a few days or so, you know, however long it actually takes for toilet paper to disappear, please don't buy a case of Corona and then throw your garbage bag and case of Corona down the hill. I'll go through a campsite and I'll pick stuff up, but I mean, I'm not going to climb through these bushes. See these? See that? Yeah. If I showed you my legs, you'd see scratches all over them from trying to dig stuff out. Those that have a place to go home to and can trash a place like this, and say, I'll never go back there anyway, so it doesn't matter if I leave a case of Corona or my toilet paper. I actually need a place like this to sleep on a regular basis. And I would greatly appreciate it if you would either take in, take out, you know, carry your trash out, or collect it. There's a dumpster literally 200 feet from this campsite, a dumpster, which is where I'm going to deposit all of the trash that I pick up tomorrow. Either put it in a dumpster or just leave it like wide open right there, like right next to your vehicle. So as you drive off, it's all right there. And leave a business card on it too, so you can take credit for it. And you know, the next person that comes in can clean it up a whole lot easier than trying to climb down there. Probably the most egregious thing that I've seen at this campsite so far has been this. Apparently someone wanted to put a flag up.
I decided to play with my red light in the dark, and well, that was when I was introduced to the uninvited guest.
Just go. Hey, just go. Go. Just go. Just go. Just go. All right. Let me get sprayed. Back.
He was completely unfazed by the red light, and in fact didn't even respond until I turned on the white light.
Back.
Thankfully, he only raised his tail whenever I turned on that white light.
Back. Back.
Probably just scavenging around because there's so much trash. Probably should have picked up instead of waiting until tomorrow.
Go away. I'm having a snack. If you want it, you can have it. Don't spray me. Oh, by the way, those are Texas pecans. Not sure where the almonds came from. But you enjoy. I'm going to climb into the Xterra so that I don't stink for the rest of the week.
jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?